We were sent this microwavable animal plush, and I have my daughter here to unbox it and tell us more about it.
This plushie can smell good. It smells like lavender. We have a lot of these. Gonna be really good. Just are 3 and up. This is just really good to smell and a good plushie. So it comes like this. You just have to pull it out. So here it is, a tiny little teddy bear. Smells really good. It's gonna feel warm when you heat it up, and it's gonna smell really good. You get a birth certificate too, and then you get your directions. I call it a he, but you can do whatever you want to.
Super soft, and he's kind of cozy.
Yeah.
And got that nice feel to him. Now, what are you gonna name him?
I should name it. I don't know.
Okay, well, let's think about
I
it.
think it's gonna be brownie chocolate chip. Yay, yay, yay.
In the microwave he goes. It's kind of funny, but it's so nice when it's warm and cozy. Here you go.
It's nice and warm. He smells really good too. I love it, and I think you will too.